Good day guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to solve this problem using an online Python compiler. So this program will solve the character's current attack speed. So let's just get started. So first I define in the upper side, which is the attack speed, is the base attack speed, bonus attack speed, and the level. Bonus attack speed is divided by 100. The current attack speed is equals to 1 plus bonus attack speed times level minus 1 times the base attack speed. Also, the current attack speed is round, and inside of it is the current attack speed entry. Then the return, this will solve the problem, which will compute the character's current attack speed. So in here, I declare a variable name base that has data type of float, which will ask the users to enter the base attack speed. And then in here is the variable bonus, and also data type is float, which will ask the users to enter the bonus attack speed by percent. And also in here, the variable is level, and the data type is float that will enter the level of the character, and then it will print the attack speed, the base, bonus, and level. So in here, as can you see in the output, I've entered the base attack speed, which is 0.658, and then the bonus attack speed by percent is 4, the level is 10, and it will compute by the character's current attack speed, which is 0.895. So that's how you solve this problem in here. So that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching this video.